Jamie Dad.
Okay. You'll go, Gus.
Percy.
Is it Percy?
Carrots.
Better put it down. Oh, both of them went down. Okay. Come on, Tierney. Oh, who's that?
Percy.
You'll go, Gus.
Okay. Percy.
You better put it down. Is it Snap?
Yep. Yes.
Put it down.
Snap.
Yeah, good boy.
You want one of these cards, Gus? You do.
Who's go?
My turn.
Okay.
Read! Your turn. Okay. Because you found another Betsy.
Well, maybe you should say Snap.
Yeah.
Aha, Tierney got it.
He's got another Betsy.
You did get another Percy.
Guess she's turning. Alright, you'll go. Okay. Guessy, are you gonna go one of these? Okay. Put here.
Who is it, Gus?
Cranky!
Who? Hey, Gus, have a look. Is that two crankies?
Yes, stop now! No, I got it first.
Tierney got it first.
Alright, you go. Thomas.
Oh.
Guessy. No, it's my turn.
Tierney, watch you don't fall backwards, Gus. Oh, who's that? Who's that?
Who is it? Cranky. Ooh, good one.
Cranky the Crane.
Now my turn. Cranky!
Oh, Snap for Tierney. You got to get ready to say Snap, Gus.
Stop!
That'll do.
Alright, you can win those cards. Actually, I got these all the way around. Whoops. Oopsies. Oops.
Who's winning the cards, Gus?
Me!
Of course you.
No, me!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
What you doing with your fingers there, Gussie?
I'm not sure. Okay,